In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use HubSpot to create and manage forms, which is an essential tool for any marketing strategy. Let's dive right in and get started. First, you'll want to navigate to the HubSpot user guide. This is your go-to resource for understanding the various features and functionalities of HubSpot. Once you're in the user guide, look for the marketing section. This area houses all the tools you'll need to engage and nurture your audience, including email campaigns, automation, and, of course, forms. Now, click on the Forms option. This is where the magic of data collection happens. Forms are crucial because they allow you to gather information from your audience, whether you're capturing leads, seeking feedback, or signing people up for an event. Once you're in the Forms section, you'll find a button to create a form. Click on it to begin setting up a new form. This is where you get to design how you'll capture valuable information from your users. You'll then be taken to the form editor. This tool is intuitive and user-friendly, perfect for customizing every aspect of your form to suit your needs. However, if you prefer using the older version, HubSpot offers a legacy form editor as well. Feel free to explore both to see which one fits your workflow better. After deciding on the editor, you'll click on the Next button to proceed. At this point, you might be considering what kind of form you want to create. You can choose a blank template, which provides a clean slate, allowing you to build your form exactly how you envision it. Within the templates, HubSpot also offers specialized options like payment, registration, and contact us forms. Each of these serves a specific purpose. The payment form is ideal if you're setting up transactions directly through your form, while the registration form is perfect for event signups or inviting attendees to webinars. Lastly, the Contact Us form is a straightforward way for your customers to reach out with inquiries or support requests. These templates can save you time and ensure you're meeting your specific goals efficiently. This step-by-step guide should give you a solid foundation in managing forms within HubSpot. By following along, you are now on your way to creating effective forms that will gather the data you need to enhance your marketing campaigns and overall business strategy. Feel free to spend time customizing the forms further. Experimenting with different fields and settings can provide you with valuable insights and flexibility as you refine your approach. Thanks for joining me today, and happy form building. Remember, capturing data through forms is just the start. How you leverage that information is where the true power lies.